Okay, this is a 1999 Chevy Venture van, and we had an issue with the wipers parking in the upright position. They were up on the side of the window, and went on YouTube and found some video, or found a video I should say, on how to correct this. And they were talking about, let me grab my pointer here. They were talking about a piece of metal, this thing right here, being in the wrong position and stopping the wiper from working. And I don't know if you can see it down in there. There's a little tab down in here that's part of the parking mechanism when it's operating. This piece of metal, they said, was bent. It isn't bent on here. It's absolutely fine. A little dirty right now. But what really fixed the whole issue, over here, this pin is part of the locking, or part of the parking mechanism, and when you turn the wiper on, this cam on top of the motor here goes around and that pin locks in here. And what we found was, and you can see this is all wet right now because I just lubed the heck out of it, that pin had gotten stuck, and by taking a screwdriver and pushing on it and popping it out of this location, I was able to free it up. Once I did that, the wipers parked. Then we went and lubed everything. They did recommend going in here and, you know, lubing these joints across the engine. There's another one up in here, and there's one back in there, and there's another one back in there. You have to kind of stop the wiper to get it out where you can actually reach it. But what really helped on this was to do all that, and I'll have my assistant turn the wiper on so you can see it go around. Okay, go ahead and shut it off. Watch the pin. See, there's... We'll do it once more now that I'm sitting here. Go ahead and turn it on again. Off. And everything's working the way it's supposed to do. We'll do one more shot so you can see up here. On. Off. And there it is, working fine. So the real fix that I found, this needs to be lubricated. Now, not plugging anything here, but this is actually what we had around, and I figured, hey, it works quite well in our RV. We will put this slide out dry lubricant on that and see how it does, because it dries and stays put. And that's about it. That fixed it. And then we'll put the little plastic cover that goes over this back in.